Hi Android fans, this is Eric from hollywoodfrodo.com with another Android app review. Today I'm going to talk about a little app called Convertr. Now it's called Convertr, but it's not spelled correctly. I'm going to have to read it off here. It's spelled C-O-N-V-E-R-T-R. So they leave out the second E. Convertr. Now what this app does is exactly what it says. It converts. It converts from measurements, weight, volume, mass, data rate, currency, about anything you could think of to convert from one measurement to another. It does it, and it does it in real time, immediately, efficiently. It's a very straightforward, simple app, but it works flawlessly. So let's jump on my phone, and I'm going to show you how it works and how it does its thing and why it does it better than any other app that I've found and why you should go get it. Okay, as you can see, Convertr is right here. It looks a lot like a calculator, and as you can see, it's spelled Convertr without the second E. So if you're looking for it on the market, that's how you want to spell it. So I'm going to click that and open it up for you and show you exactly how it works. When you open it, it'll open to whatever the last conversion settings you were using. And as you can see, I was doing data rate. The symbol up here at the top is a symbol that symbolizes what it is you're converting. And then you have what you're converting from and to. Right now I'm converting from bits per second to bytes per second. If you click the little box, it allows you to choose whatever you want to choose. So let's say I want to convert from kilobytes to second, per second, to megabytes per second. So you change that and you enter your number here. 8,500 kilobytes equals 8.300078125 megabytes. You can choose how many decimals you want to have there, and I'll show you that in a second. If you want to clear it out and do something else, you just hit clear. If you're typing and you make a mistake, you can simply click back and re-enter. Very straightforward. You can change it to a negative if you want to change it to a negative. So let's look at something else. If you press the little icon up here, you can see all the different things. You have angle, area, currency, data rate, data size, density, energy, force, length, mass, power, pressure, speed, temperature, time, torque, typography, and volume. You can also favorite certain ones of these, and then you can just click favorites, and it would have your favorites if there's certain ones you find you're using more frequently than others. Let's try length. Length is a popular one. Now let's try, this is obvious. Inches to feet. Well, we all know there's 12 inches in 1 foot, right? So 12 inches to 1 foot. But what if you want to convert from inches, which is an English, or United States, I should say, measurement, to millimeters, which is used more worldwide? Well, it does that instantly. So if you know you have 8 inches, you now know that equals 203.2 millimeters, which is awesome. Now one thing I really like about this is it is fully featured. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. I already showed you measurement. I'm going to change the type here to currency. So you change to currency. I want to know how many euros am I going to get if I go to Europe with 100 United States dollars. Well, as of today, I would get 76 euros. Obviously, the dollar is not quite as strong as the euro right now. If you click menu and you go into settings, categories and units, allows you to select how many, you can see how many of these you want. So under density, you can turn on or off things that you want, because there's some things you may want, some things you may not want in there. So you can turn them on, you can turn them off. fully customizable. You can go to, let's see, length. I've only got 13 of 26 in here, but I may want to add things. Fathoms isn't on there. I may want to add a fathom, a link, a furlong. Anything that you want, you can put it in there, so that you can customize each one of these. Auto clear. What auto clear does is it makes it so that if you switch inputs, like say you've already entered something for currency and now you want to switch to length, if that's on, then it'll allow you to switch to length automatically. It'll clear everything out for you. Currency updates. Obviously that's important if you want to use the currency, because that changes daily. So I have it updating every day. So it just updated at 11:09 a.m. and so it is up to date. Sounds, you might have heard the little clicks when you click things. You can turn that on or off, but I think that's great. And then of course you can get support if you need it. So it's very simple, but very, very full-featured, very customizable to the units and measurements that you want to use, and the type of conversions you want to do. So again, that is Convertr, which is available in the Google Play Android market. It is an excellent app for any type of conversion you want to do. It can handle it all. So I would highly recommend, if you have a need for that kind of app, this is the one to get. As always, this is Eric with hollywoodfrodo.com. If you like this review, click the like button. If you like my reviews in general and you want to be updated when new ones arrive, then please subscribe to my channel and pass the word to your friends if you can. If you have a question or comment, feel free to leave it down below, and I will do my best to get back to you just as quickly as I can. Until next time, have lots of fun playing with your phone, and I'll be back with another review soon.